Hey, look, Mom. Helping.
Mm-hmm.
But I can.
What are you doing, Victoria?
I am shoveling like What are you doing?
Don't step on me. I'm sleeping in the snow. Don't get me. Russ gonna perish.
I need help.
I'll help you.
Her hood needs to stay on. Put it back on. Alex, no. Help her get her hood back on now.
Ow!
Hey, look, Mom. I am a robot. See?
Well, you're something, all right.
Hey, try to punch my hand. I broke off the metal shell.
What? Throw it down there. Throw it down there. I'm sliding down there. What? I'm sliding down there.
Don't do that, Victoria. Well, at least don't do it on your belly.
Can I?
Go for it.
Well, at least don't do it on your belly like I did.
Yes! I want to do that again.
Well, I go first.
Okay. You want to try?
If I can get a grip on this thing.
Okay, come on. You're last.
Daddy, ho!
Okay, do it on my belly.
You know you gotta wait till Alex moves.
I can't get myself.
Ice in my shorts! Ice in my shorts! Hey, look, Mom. Metal shell's falling off. So, Mom, when will we be able to go out on the front?
We're not.
Why not?
Because I don't want to. I'm not even supposed to be out here. I'm supposed to be inside where it's nice and warm.
Come on, Ellie. Want to try under your tummy?
No, he needs to go right.
Gotta be careful where you step.
Why?
Hey, guys, look. Look there.
Well, yep, lots of
There's some
icicles.
There's some huge icicles.